All right, guys. Sorry about that. I think I kept on talking after my 15-minute limit. Um, I think I was at Plomaso in the last one, but let, let me go back, okay? So I'm just gonna go back with ni modo. Fuck it. It doesn't matter. Aguas, trucha, or ojo is pretty much somebody saying, watch out for this. Like aguas. Estás listo? Estás listo is, are you ready? Okay. Plomazo is shot, bullet wound. Um, like a plomazo, me dieron un plomazo en el pecho. So I got shot in the chest. Okay. Um, Échale plomo is a translation for shoot him or feed him some lead. So échale plomo is pretty much shoot him. All right. Alguien nos echó un pitazo is a slang term for someone snitched on us. Someone gave somebody information about us. So, alguien nos echó un pitazo. All right. Nos pusieron dedo. Dedo, if you guys remember, dedo means finger. But in this term is someone ratted us out. And this is all slang. This is slang for, Mexicans or other Latinos, okay? But I've heard this one before. Nos pusieron un dedo, someone ratted us out. Un sapo, un pájaro, soplón. Those are terms for a snitch, possibly a CI, a snitch. Un sapo, un pájaro, un soplón. Púyalo is a translation for stick him, stab him. Púyalo. Policía, we know that's police. Desármalo is disarm him or disarm her. Desármalo. Despárale is shoot him or shoot her. Brinca is jump. So brincale would be jump him. All right. Um, Next page. Pégale is hit him. Golpéalo is beat him up. Golpéalo or Quítale la pistola is take away his gun. Pistola, we know that's pistol. All right, so disarm him. Agarra el arma. Agarra is grab or get. Agarra el arma is grab his weapon. Corre is run. Pícalo is stab him or poke him. All right, pícalo. Dile una mentira. Mentira is a lie. So dile una mentira would be tell him a lie, tell her a lie, or there's also a term for mentiroso. Somebody was to say Jesse's a mentiroso would be Jesse's a liar. All right. So pistola or cojete, that's another term for pistol or firearm. Okay. Rifle is rifle. Same spelling, rifle, rifle. All right. Shotgun is escopeta. And scissors is tijeras. Glass is vidrio. Knife, there's many terms for all the other terms, but right here we have three for knife. So knife is navaja, cuchillo, or filero. Okay. Navaja, cuchillo, or filero. Pícale con el cuchillo. Stab him with a knife, right? Botella is bottle. Bottle is botella. So, for example, if I was to say, quítale la botella, take away his bottle, and kill him would be mátalo. Mátalo is kill him, all right? So this is pretty much it, what I wanted to go through the class, okay? The first part cut me out, totally lost track of the 15 minutes, but I did mention in the previous part before it cut me out that I'm going to add this on the discussion forum, and I'm going to need the students to reply that they have watched it just to make sure everyone has seen this and got through it on their own. and then I'll just, once I see this, that every student has watched it, I will give you guys participation credits individually. Okay, so if you guys have any questions regarding any of the terms or just with anything, you guys have my phone number. Just just give me a text message, and I will go from there. All right. Thanks for your time.